Okay, perfect. Again, let's see how badly this first stream gonna go. It's kind of unplanned. Uh, okay, let's see if it's so we have an empty project and we're gonna try to do some white coding. So empty folder has no files, nothing. We can create a new file. Let's call it requirements. Rust, or do I feel like web? Oh, or maybe some C++. Okay, let's do something simple. Let's try. Let's say create create me a snake game. So cliche. And let's do it with JavaScript and HTML. Uh, put everything in one file. Give me a so we'll use this as our documentation and kind of going forward. So I just basically saying create me a game, use JavaScript, HTML, put everything in one file. So this is where I lost my audio. I switched the sources and because it was my first stream. So going forward, it's voiceover, and I'll continue of describing what I actually done here. So we created a file as a README, and we told our AI to use that file for requirements. And in that file, we said pretty much create me a snake game using web technologies and propose a plan. So we prompted AI to do that. It read the file. It created a list of uh, proposed things with some questions. So it asked me if I want to use SVG or if I want to use Canvas. Um, I didn't answer. I just said use whatever you feel feels appropriate. Now, if we look at the video, uh, plugin actually has this browser inside of it that it can run emulated environments of a game. So it's running a browser inside and tries to render the game to see if it's actually working. After it's done, it creates a summary of completed task with what technologies were used, business logic of a game, like multiple types of foods, power-ups, visual effects, game features, Easter eggs, controls. None of those were actually requested. LLM pretty much extracting it just from me saying that uh, I want this game, and as you can see it, we have this we had this game working, and it's a simple HTML file, so um, it's not bad for actual like 15 minutes coding, maybe a little bit more, 20. Um, Okay. Um, I think first the stream went well. Let's see what I can think of next. Peace.